Welcome to the Basic Detail channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to quickly clean your backup camera without washing the car. In the winter, the backup camera quickly become dirty and they lose their usefulness. So there's a tricks to clean it without scratching it. So you will need a spray bottle and a gallon of winter windshield washer to have the antifreeze properties. Now, just fill up the spray bottle with the windshield washer. Now, go at the back of your car and find the rear view camera, and you only have to spray directly on the lens several times to gently lift the dirt. You don't need to wipe, and that's it. Now you get a clean backup camera in just few seconds. I always leave the bottle in the trunk of my car and clean it before I hit the road. Thanks for watching.